Good morning. It wouldn't be the Mediterranean if we didn't start like 10 minutes late, so popular tradition. So just wanted to start out by saying a few words about the region. The Mediterranean has always been a crossroads between civilizations, as we all know, serving as the intersection between the three continents. The region has long served as an example of how cultures can merge, blurring the lines between ethnic groups, tribes, and nation-states. For a brief period, some have forgotten that the Mediterranean defies homogeneity. And yet the urgencies of the current time, which were prompted by immigration policies, the detour of the Arab Spring, and the unfortunate Syrian refugee crisis, has served as a reminder that the Mediterranean belongs to everyone, and that the intricacies of its crossings spur much debate. The panel and the keynotes we have throughout this conference stand as a testament to this fact. We have 18 speakers who have come from 7 different countries, namely the UK, the US, Greece, Cyprus, Turkey, and Malta, and Germany. And there are also you, the attendees, who have come from Oxford and all over, and all of you are welcome.
One of the main objectives that we set out when we were organizing this conference is to provide an interdisciplinary platform where students could discuss their ideas and share their views. And today I can say that Oxford Crossings Postgraduate Conference will cover a wide range of disciplines, including history, geography, literature and cultural studies, anthropology, photography, and filmmaking. We will start today by discussing topographies of the Mediterranean and the way those influence people's lives and regional politics. We will then move on to entangled identities, power struggles, and strategies of resistance. And we will finish the day with presentations on the ways different types of borders and boundaries are assembled, enforced, and dismantled along the refugee routes. The second day of the conference, tomorrow, will feature presentations on the ways crossings of borders and boundaries are employed as a strategy to tell one's story. Be it crossings between different languages, genres, or texts. Questions such as how to preserve the self in the context of occupation that created borders and boundaries on the territory that used to signify home, or how the shared worlds of the past inscribed into the national present, will be central to our last panel on narrating the shared worlds and the divided worlds of the Eastern Mediterranean. Each day will also feature a keynote, and the 2 distinguished keynote speakers will bring their perspectives and expertise from Cyprus and Malta. The 2 focal points we chose because we believe that these are the places from which we can learn a great deal about borders and boundaries in the Eastern Mediterranean. And although the range of topics and disciplines is diverse, there are also many threads that bind all of these talks together, which we hope will lead to a lively discussion, and we do invite everyone to contribute with their comments and their ideas to this discussion. Finally, we would like to thank our sponsors, without whose support this conference would not have been possible, namely Torch HRC Graduate Fund, the Subfaculty of Byzantine and Modern Greek, the Onassis Foundation, the Middle East Studies Center, and CSOC's Southeast European Studies at Oxford. We wish everyone an enjoyable conference, and without further haste, let us begin our first panel.